Okay, here is how I made $630 trading the Nasdaq last night. So, coming into the day, I was ideally looking at longs. We are trading at all-time highs. So really I'm only looking for longs. I did, however, want to see some shorts eventually. I did think there were going to be some shorts eventually to rebalance, but at the same time it was a no news Monday. We had low volume and we were pretty much consolidating for the first 10 minutes of the market, more even. I mean, look at this. But yeah, so I was just trying to look for a quick short trade, get it in the market and get out as quick as I could, take my piece of the pie for the day. So yeah, all-time highs, ideally I take longs. I did see some potential for shorts, but again, because of how the market was moving, didn't want to be on for any longer than I needed to be. So we had this 4-hour bullish gap and a 1-hour bearish gap above. Initially coming into the market, I wanted to see us, coming into this gap and then drop down before I took longs. But again, no news. There was no volume, no volatility. It kind of just slowly chopped up and then dumped. But I was off by then. Because of the low volume, looked at this, thought, chances of me having to stay on longer is going to be more higher. Saw this 5-minute rejection wick, this rejection block, which was resting inside of this 5-minute bullish gap. Took out all these internal lows, marked it out with the fib, and waited for, because of the volume and how the market was moving, I waited for a rejection coming out of it. Touched the 0.62 and rejected, so I dropped down to the 1 minute. Coming into the 1 minute, we saw this range here, this rejection block, which took out these lows, giving us a nice rejection block. Put my entry there, stopped below the wick, and then I just targeted New York open high. Pretty simple trade, pretty simple, easy, short trade. Made 630 on this. Was it a bit of a sketchier, more riskier trade? Yes, we were inside of this bearish gap, but just based off how we were moving, wasn't expecting a dump anytime soon. Price looks like it wanted to go up higher first anyways. That's pretty much it. That was the trade for the night.